welcome to Bytes and Strides with Prachi. So yes, we continue our journey of Python, and today we are going to learn something very easy, simple but important, the concept of modules. So what is a module? any file, any Python file which we save with the extension .py is a module. You can have any kind of a code inside a module. You may have a runnable code, you may have variables, functions, anything inside a module. Why modules? Because it provides us the flexibility to organize the code in a logical way. So let's begin and let's create our own module. I'm just creating a simple Python file called info.py. And here I give a message, welcome to info. Then here I have a function say news, which says, okay, news for the day. Here I have another function def, say stock. So here we have stock market updates. Alright, so now when we are working with projects, what we do is we don't write everything in one file, right? We will use this in another file. So what we need to learn is use one module inside another module. So in order to do that, I am just creating another new file. So let me call it as useinfo. And here I say, okay, this will use info. This will use the info. Now the thing is, if I try calling functions like news or stock, it is going to give me errors because these functions are not present inside useinfo.py. So in order to do that, what we have to do is, in order to use one module inside another module, we need to import it. So there's a simple statement, import, name of my module is info. That's it. And now when you will notice, when I execute this piece of code, you can see inside info, there is a simple top level code here, which is not inside any function. Print welcome to info. When I execute this code, you can see the output, welcome to info. So as soon as you import a module, what is happening is the top level code is getting executed. And now I can just call the functions using info.news, maybe info.stock. So that's pretty simple. How to use one module inside another module. Let's take it one bit ahead. Say I want to use only news and not stock. So I can import only what is required. So in that case, what do we write? We write another statement called from info use news. Okay, sorry, from info import news. That's it. Now you needn't precede the function call with the module name. Like you can see in this program, I wrote it as info.news and info.stock. Here you can directly call news like this. However, I will not be able to call stock. I will not be able to call stock because I haven't imported it. So that is pretty simple. Two ways to use a module. We are going to use import and we are going to use from import. What import is going to do? It will include all the functionality of one module into another. And you can import more than one modules at a given point of time, like import module 1, module 2 and so on. However, from import, instead of importing the whole module, we can import only specific attributes. So from module name, import whatever functions or variables or whatever you need. The Python library, you can see, is going to consists of more than 200 modules. So very shortly in another session, we will talk about some of the important modules of the Python library. So a very easy topic for today. We did modules. So see you soon in the next video. Till then, keep practicing. Happy coding.